Let's consider this question. Express $90 as a percentage of $360. Now the first thing is that let's express the $90 and then the $360 in fraction. So you have 90 over 360. Now when you are solving, you can ignore the dollar sign and then in our final answer we can bring it 90 over 360. So we have expressed the 90 and then the 360 in fraction. The question says as a percentage. So you multiply it by 100%. This zero can cancel this zero. The 9 over here goes into this 1 and goes into 36 4. We are going to have 100 over 4. And 100 over 4, 4 goes here 1 and goes into 125. So you have 25 and then you bring the percentage. So $90 of 360 in percentage is 25%. Let's consider this one also. In a class of 40 students, 18 are boys. Calculate the percentage of boys in the class. The first thing we do is that we put the 18 as the numerator and the 40 as the denominator, and we multiply it by 100%. Now this 40 cancels, this 0 cancels this 0. Over here 2 goes into 4 2 times and goes into 10 5 times, and then also 2 goes here 1 and then goes into 18 9. Finally we have 9 times 5, and 9 times 5 is 45, but always don't forget to bring the percentage sign. So 45%.